Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sync folders on your computer with Google Drive. So we're gonna start now. First of all, go to Google and search Google Drive download so you can download it to your desktop. Wait until the downloading finishes. After it finished, now you launch the Google Drive. Then click on the settings button. As you can see in the screen, choose the Preferences option. Make sure that you choose the My Computer option. Then click on the Add Folder button. Now you just need to choose the folder that you want to sync to Google Drive. Select the option Sync with Google Drive, then click Done, and then click on Save. After that, go to Google Drive and check your folder. So this is how you sync your folders with Google Drive. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.